In this video, I'm going to show you 5 things that you can do to simplify and speed up your meal planning process so that you can get done meal planning fast and get on with all the other stuff you're supposed to be doing. Am I right? So let's just get started. The first tip is to write down everything you need for each meal, which might kind of sound like a no-brainer, but I've fallen into the trap before where I write down lasagna for one of the meals, and when it comes to that day, I bought everything for lasagna, which isn't much, but you know, whatever. And I make this beautiful lasagna and we sit down to eat it. And what I really want with it is a salad or some garlic bread. And I don't have those things because they weren't on my list because I didn't write them on my meal plan. So make sure you're writing down all of the sides so that it gets on your list so that you actually buy it and then you can actually have it with that meal. Tip number 2 would be to assign a category to each day that you want to meal plan. And you can do this when you kind of feel overwhelmed with who knows what to make on Monday. I don't know what to make on Monday, but if you assign a category to it, that kind of limits your options so that maybe you can come up with something a little bit faster. A common way to do this would be like a meatless Monday or a Taco Tuesday, but you can also do this in a variety of ways. Like sometimes I like to do it by appliance. So Monday is a slow cooker day. Tuesday is a grill day. Wednesday is a waffle day, for Waffle Wednesday, of course. And you can do this with your Instant Pot or your air fryer or whatever appliances you have. It actually kind of helps you to use the appliances that you bought with good intentions and maybe don't use very much, but it just kind of limits the options and makes things go a bit faster. Tip number 3 is actually a mathematical equation. Prepackaged freezer food plus prepackaged frozen veggie plus fresh fruit equals a meal. Tip number 4 is to keep a running list of all the foods that your family likes and will eat, and also that you don't really mind cooking. Everybody loves smoked ribs on the smoker, but that is not something I'm gonna put into my normal rotations. That's a special thing. So we're gonna keep this list nice and easy, just things that I'm actually gonna put on a weekly basis. So some options for us would be like lasagna, super easy, everyone likes it. Taco soup, super easy, everyone likes it. You get it? So you want super easy, everyone likes it. Throw those down on your list. And when you come across a new recipe, put that down on the list too, but make sure that it's super easy and everyone likes it. The 5th and final tip of this video would be to make sure to schedule in a day where you're eating leftovers, because we all get to the end of the week and maybe something we thought we were gonna gobble up one night, we only ate half of it, and so that's sitting in the fridge, and you always kind of end up with those containers of leftover food. But if we schedule in a day, then we kind of make sure to eat up those foods, and we don't want to be throwing away food because who wants to throw away money? So I hope these tips were helpful for you. I find that when I do these things and kind of keep those running lists of meals and all that, I can sit down, write out my meal plan nice and fast, and just get to the grocery store, because usually I'm trying to make a meal plan. I got my coat on, my purse, I'm ready to go to the grocery store, but I don't really know what I'm supposed to get. So if I can keep things fast, that's just really helpful for myself. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, also liking the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.